With Louisa, we're going to use an intense, refreshing service in salon today with the Detox shampoo, the Detox mask, and the vitamin C shot. The thing that happens with our blondes as they live their lives outside of the salon is that daily aggressions affect the blonde and it loses that pop that blondes love so much. So we're going to use this service in conjunction with doing a color service afterwards. So it's going to set a lovely clean palette for us. But you can actually use it as a specific in-salon service on its own for your clients that just want a quick bit of refresh and a pop in between their services. Here we have Louisa after her intense, refreshing service. What we did was we used the Detox shampoo and the Detox mask. In the mask, 1 shot of vitamin C with 25 grams of the mask. We left that on for 10-15 minutes. As you can see, the hair is brighter, fresher. It's a fantastic in-salon brightening service. We've removed the impurities in the hair, mineral buildup, dust, pollution, all those things. Nice and bright, ready for a service or just to get on with life.